Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing, and also don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. It'll help my channel grow. So for today's first DIY, you're going to need these shot glass or dessert glasses, the plastic ones that come in the party section, and something round. Either you can use one of these round signs that come in the frame, the shadow box frames, or just a round wooden wood piece that you can purchase, say at Walmart, in a package of 6 to 10. And what you're going to do is place one of the dessert glasses, adding your permanent glue and a little bit of hot glue to attach it to your round base. And then you're going to do the same to the top of your glass and flip another glass over the top one to secure it. And that's going to be one of your candle holders. To do the tallest one, you're basically going to repeat the same process, adding glue to this one will be the top of your glass, adding it to your round base. And then the second glass will be both down. So in other words, the bottom of your dessert glass, and then you're going to do add your glues to that bottom part, and then you're going to get another dessert glass bottom part down and glue it together. And now your third glass will be upside down, like so. So just go ahead and repeat the process. Now these dessert cups or glasses, they come in 6 in a pack. So you don't have to necessarily do the third candle holder. But I figured since I had one extra cup, I will just go ahead and do the set of 3. So go ahead and make the set of 2 or the set of 3 if you want to use the one last dessert glass, or if you just want to save it for another project. But just go ahead and add your adhesive and flip it upside down and add it to your base, and that will be your last candle holder. Now go ahead and set those aside and allow them to dry for a few minutes before you go ahead and spray paint them the color of your choice. Now for the second DIY, you're going to go ahead and get one of these canisters and a round vase that you can purchase at Dollar Tree as well. Go ahead and add your permanent glue and a little bit of hot glue to your base, which will be one of these containers, the metal containers. And it's one of the larger ones. I know they have smaller ones that come in a package of 2 of these containers. For this project, you'll need one of the larger ones. Once you've added your glue to your container, go ahead and flip the round glass vase over your container and set that aside and allow it to dry before you spray paint it the color of your choice. Now I'm going to spray paint just the bottom, like so, of this one. And then next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and paint it with this gray color that's called pavement, I believe, but I'll leave the color down below. And I'm painting my vase simply because I wanted it to have more texture and I wanted it to be more of that chalky look. But yes, you can spray paint it a gray chalk color before you actually glue it onto your container if you'd like. But I just went ahead and painted it. Again, just because I wanted more of the textured look. And I did paint it with 2 coats. So basically you just paint it 1 coat, set it aside and allow it to dry. Or if you're impatient or in a hurry, go ahead and get your blow dryer and use your blow dryer on high heat to dry your first coat of paint, and then you can just go ahead and repeat the process. These are pretty simple DIYs. I hope you guys decide to make these. And if you do, let me know in the comments down below what colors you're going to choose to use your to paint for your projects. And I can't say these are Anthropologie dupe because they're not exactly like the ones from Anthropologie that I was inspired by. And I'm going to show you guys a picture of what the pictures of my inspiration were. And you guys can decide if it would be something like an Anthropologie dupe or just Anthropologie inspired is what I'm kind of leaning towards. So once you've actually put 2 coats of your paint onto your vase, go ahead and get some white paint. I am not too good with drawing lines and stuff with my paintbrush, so I decided to go ahead and try out using one of these paints that you can just squeeze with the point onto it. Usually they're like for fabric, but this is just regular acrylic paint. And I bought this one at Family Dollar or Dollar General, I'm not too sure, but it was like $1.50. But I know they have them at Walmart and such for like about 50 cents. So just go ahead and grab one of these paints or just a paintbrush and regular white paint, and then just draw whatever design you like onto your vase. Now, I drew basically little triangles and diamonds, and what I'm doing is kind of just smearing it, the paint, just to make it look more, I guess, hand painted, more distressed, kind of like a whitewash, but not too much of a whitewash, because you can see the white more than it would be as a wash, but you can do a whitewash. And I'm just kind of smearing it, just again to make it look more handmade, hand painted. But this is basically where your creativity and your taste comes to play. You can do whatever you like, whatever design, and however you like to paint it. So what I'm doing is I basically made a half triangle, then a pyramid, and then another half triangle, and then in between I made 2 smaller triangles, diamond shapes, I'm sorry, and then I repeated the same pattern, a triangle, a diamond, a triangle. And then I'm just going to keep doing that, which in other words, a small diamond shape in the middle, then a half diamond or a triangle on the top, then you're going to make a larger diamond shape, then you're going to do your triangle again at the bottom, and then in between you'll make another small diamond shape. So it's a diamond shape, triangle, then your diamond larger shape, then your smaller diamond shape in the middle, and then in between that another triangle, and you just continue to do the whole thing. And once you're done painting your vase, I usually paint it with pure acrylic, simply because I'm going to add water maybe to it, and I don't want the paint to disappear when I clean it. So for your last project, go ahead and get one of these oval party bowls, and then you're going to get one of the small round dessert bowls. Add your permanent glue, and basically you're going to add your small dessert bowl to the bottom of your oval larger bowl from your party section area, and place it right in the center. Allow this to dry, and then spray paint it the color of your choice. And I chose to spray paint everything with this copper color because I'm loving this color of spray paint. It's the metallic finish copper color. So once you're done spray painting everything, this is the way this one base looks. And I only spray painted the outside, not the inside, in case I wanted to add fruit or what have you in this. And then here are my candles. And I also got these candles at Dollar Tree, and in here is my vase. And these were my inspiration pictures. And these are my DIYs. So what do you guys think? Quick and easy DIYs. Hope you guys enjoy. Till next time. Stay blessed. Bye.